Okay, so I wanted to talk about earnings. So Microsoft created the fake out with the earnings. So they had decent earnings and then bad guidance. And the market rallied. It was a massive fake out. Like Microsoft rallied at first. Then the guidance came out, was really bad, gave the market a huge excuse to dump really hard. And then the next day rally. And what did that do? That provided a huge amount of liquidity and fuel for the market to then push higher. Because they needed to take out a lot of longs before they can push higher. That was kind of the point of doing that. So that makes me lean more bullishly. That's my opinion of why that happened. So that kind of reversal is when you see longs get stopped out and liquidity is provided so the market can push higher. That's Microsoft. I still wouldn't long this on a weekly chart. This does not look great. This needs to break above this downtrend line. On a daily, it's tough to say. You could call this a long, but also, you've got, I can easily see this weekly RSI. This is your big resistance area. So this is a concern. So you have to be careful. It is still in a downtrend. You could easily do this parallel channel, right? So there's your downtrend pretty much there. I want to see it break above before I can consider a long on Microsoft. The next big thing was Tesla, right? So everybody watched Tesla. Tesla gapped up hard and is looking very strong. It went to the bottom end of this downtrend channel, right? So this was the buy on Tesla at $100. Took out the lows all the way down here and then reversed, and it's up over 50% from the lows. It's crazy. But here's the thing: if you look at a weekly RSI, right? Weekly RSI would be like this. That we didn't even cross over yet. This is still in a bear downtrend. I'm going to actually set an alert in case this does cross over. I'll go to a 3-day. That'll give me a little bit more accurate picture. Let's see on the 3-day, did it cross over? Nope, nothing on the 3-day. So I'm going to add an alert if we do get a crossover, because then I can start hunting some longs. But for now, no crossover has happened on the 3-day even. This is not a good sign to me for Tesla. But on a daily, it looks extremely bullish. If I go to a 4-hour, yeah, 4 hours extremely bullish, but it took off a while ago. The time to long Tesla was down here at $110 a share, stuff like that. You could have easily done this. And then this was your long right up here, kind of on confirmation here. So you would have went long probably in this area, would have been a decent area to go long 121. But even here it's kind of risky though, to be fair, because it could have just continued lower. The really risk-free one is going long like up here at 130, and then you can catch the move up to like 160. Not nearly as big of a move, but a lot lower risk. So yeah, this is the big turnaround in Tesla. Was a bit extreme, as I mentioned. This would have been your long opportunity here around Friday the 20th to Monday the 23rd. This area was your long opportunity. Doesn't look great. There's some significant resistance is coming into. So I definitely would be careful with Tesla. And I might even consider hunting like shorts instead of longs. Yeah, this 1 hour. Once this 1 hour breaks down, I could start hunting for short opportunities. So something to look at and see if it's worth it. I mean, you can see there is already a divergence forming between RSI and price. Price has made a higher high, but RSI didn't. That's already a bit of a red flag to tell you that this rally is kind of running out of steam. There's a lot of gaps that need to be filled. Big gap here, obviously. Gap here that never really got filled at 123. This gap pretty much got filled. Just a gap at 123. I think it could come down to that. I don't see why not. Let me delete this, and let's say this is the top out point, and this is the low. Yeah, so 61.8 is in that 123 area, and then you've got 88.6 right down here. So it could easily retrace to this area. I don't see why not, unless the S&P goes on like a massive crazy rally.